What's up, guys? It's Japarico here. I came back after a few days of suffering of diarrhea. It's okay. So let me start this live event by telling you guys something that I was really surprised, which was this morning I opened my terminal and I saw it. I saw on YouTube that let me see if I can share with you guys. So here we go. So I was searching for crypto on YouTube, and I got a list of a lot of videos that were about like other YouTubers being surprised about the manipulation of crypto, and that the price of Bitcoin was going down, and people were panicking. And you can see a few titles of other YouTubers videos. Well, Bitcoin collapsing now. Bitcoin warning from bad to worse. Bitcoin breaches 20,000. So a lot of people were panicking. And I was really surprised because a few months ago, I was telling you, and it discontinued for months and even the past few weeks, I've been telling you guys that we are still on a bearish trend. And what does that mean? And why I was kind of predicting that price would go back to 20K. So let me show you how exactly I was predicting that. If you look at the charts, so let's go back. Let's go to so here I have my trading view. And guys, let me first teach you how you can use my script. Okay, so I have developed two scripts for Pvsra strategy. Let me get rid of this first. Okay, so all you have to do is open your TradingView platform. On TradingView, you have here indicators. So you just have to click here on indicators and you search for PVA. Okay. So PVA, you're going to have PVA candle plus dragon and PVA volume. Both of them were coded by me, by Japarico. So you click here, and then voila. So you can see that it became much more visible with the PVA colors. Okay. So once you have the PVA colors, uh, you can see that on the daily chart, what we have is something like this. Okay. And what happened for yesterday and is still happening right now, so prices is still going down, okay, has just broken the 200 EMA, which is this yellow dotted line. If you are using PVA now, you can easily, like, you can clearly see this, because once you apply my PvSra scripts to your chart, you get this yellow dotted line. If you double click on it, you can see that this is a lot of settings that you can change. Please don't change it, because I already put there the values that are the most suitable values, so that you can see the how PVSRA works. Like the PVSRA default values are these values, so please don't change it. And for those who don't know, PVSRA stands for price, volume, support, and resistance analysis. And you can see that price has broken the 200 EMA here, which means the 200 EMA is your baseline. So when it's trading above it, it means a bullish trend. When it's trading below it, it means a bearish trend. And then if you change, but here is the daily chart. If you change it to the weekly chart, it's much more visible, because what I've been telling you guys for the past few months is that once it broke it, this support, okay, so the 200 EMA is our support, is our baseline. So once again, once is started to trade below it, it means a bearish trend. So after, you can see here that this happened on June 13th, 2022. So already for several months, I've been telling you guys that once it broke it on the weekly chart, this became a bearish trend. So what happened is, for these past few days, like what happened yesterday and is still going on today, is actually just a continuation of this bearish trend. So I really don't understand why you guys are panicking, because for me it's very clear that the trend is bearish. Okay, so people are like, oh, it was going up and now it's collapsing. No, it's not like that. Is still like the for a while it was going up. It was just for the moment, so that it went for this correction all the way to the 200 EMA, and after that it was going down because it's still under the resistance of this 200 EMA. Okay, so it's not that, like, on the daily chart, people were saying, oh, so if you change to the daily chart once again, people were optimistic because they were like, oh, it's going up, and then winter has finished, and then price will continue to go up, and blah blah blah. Guys, watch the weekly chart. Okay, because if you watch the weekly chart, you can see that it was not really going up. This is just a correction. This is just a correction back to the 200 EMA here, and then price will continue to go down once again, right? So, and guys, there is no reason for panicking. So our vision, okay. So let me go back to the main screen. Our vision for Bitcoin is still bearish because we are watching the weekly charts, watching the monthly charts, and watching the daily chart. But if you want a better vision, just a better view, go back to the weekly chart and you can see it very clearly. The vision here, the view is bearish trend. Okay, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor of any kind, so this is not a recommendation of buying or selling anything. This is just my view that I'm sharing with you guys. So keep in mind, this is bearish view and it's still going on. As long as it doesn't break the 200 MA going upwards, I'm still holding my bearish view. So that was the video for today, guys. The live event. I hope you guys enjoyed the live event, and see you guys in a few hours. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.